familiar, right? There's a reason for that. You remember when I did the Q&A and I told y'all I do bulk videos? Well, I felt like this would be a really good idea to illustrate that fact. A lot of people are aspiring to become YouTube creators. So I was like, this would be a great way to show you guys. Usually when I do bulk videos, everything is different presentation. This is a completely different video. I wanted to show you guys that, yeah, you're gonna see me in another video looking just like this. For that reason, this is in fact the way that I film bulk. Sometimes you gotta do a new thing. Today I'm bringing you something from OMGQueen. I'm really excited about this. I really feel like this is gonna be real cute. I got a feeling everything's gonna be alright. And then I'm gonna show love to my subscriber of the day. You the button. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, so you can join in 2021. Today I'm bringing you something from OMGQueen, y'all. We're gonna take a look at it like right out of the box. Y'all know how I do. We're gonna try to flex it. We're gonna throw in some music. We're gonna try to flex it. We're gonna try to flex it, okay? This is Victoria's Secret. Ooh, Melanin curly hair lace front wig. Ooh, VS04. Y'all, if this ain't cute, they done named this wrong.
This name is real sexy, huh?
Let's just see. And then we're gonna go through these deets and then we're gonna try to flex it, okay? Package so filled with love and other cool stuff. Let's see what's up in this box. What's up in this box? Let's see. Open. Oh, wig cap. Flyaway tamer. This is to get those flyaway pieces in order. OMG, you are the queen. Oh, thank you.
It's like you've known me all my life.
This is nice. Okay, so they have hair care instructions, information on their exchange or return policies, how to save money on these wigs. Okay. They have their contact information there. I have 16 inches, color natural. I hope it's gonna be as cute as I think it is. Ooh, it's soft. As soon as it landed in my hands, it was like, oh, marshmallows. Marshmallows? Oh, okay. It's already showing up to the party. Already showing up to the party, sis. Already. Not a game. Come on now. I knew it. Okay, it has 4 combs. It has the elastic that is removable, y'all. That's wonderful. So you don't have to use this if you don't want to, okay? This is what the inside of the cap looks like. I can tell these knots have already been bleached. Honey, come on now. This is gonna be flawless. Hair texture, curly. Hair type, virgin Brazilian hair. I have 16 inches, 180% density. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. Ooh! Easy install, affordable, realistic quality. Everything you need. Let's see here. It comes with grown woman hair. I may not use it, I don't know. Pre-plucked hairline. Glueless lace front cap with stretch back. Yes! Now, sis, these knots did not come to play with you, okay? So you have 4 inches of parting space from here to that line of demarcation from the lace to the cap. I feel like my cats are trying to get in here. One of them, and it's probably Kenya. I'm gonna spray this down and then brush it through. Stop, Kenya! I knew it was Kenya. These curls, pop, 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 pop. Okay, pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop. Y'all know, huh? I like these combs. They're more comfortable, these long combs. I like these combs and I cannot lie. Y'all, this is so soft. It feels light and fluffy. Very high quality, y'all. So if y'all looking for a high quality 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, cousin, again, OMGQueen. Look how healthy those ends look. Look how cute and healthy and full those ends look. Y'all can tell right there the quality. Look at that. I have done nothing to this WIYAAAAG. I need y'all to look and see this WIYAAAAG. I have done nothing to this WIYAAAAG. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and flex this WIYAAAAG.